Hello students, welcome to virtual learning with the Miss Andersons. Today we're learning about this equation and we're going to learn how to solve it for m. First we're going to, can you point to it? We need to figure out what m is, okay? So we start out with lim over n to the figure 8. Infinity. Sorry, infinity. Yes, that's the math word. So n to infinity, and then times n over the Gmail app, the sideways Gmail app, n over the sideways Gmail app, which is also over I equals 1.
Oh, that is the one. Okay.
I equals 1. Whatever that means, I is 1. So, in case that will come in handy, I equals 1. And then you have,
P. Oh,
that's
shit.
O.
No, it's P. I just
Move
can't.
it.
I'm trying.
Just hit that button. Down. Yeah, there you go. Don't tap, just hover. And then tap. Yeah, okay. Well, that is P. Okay, so, row. It's a row.
PF.
PF. Poof. So times the Gmail app by Poof, and you
Poof of X.
and
with
then you times.
what is
Oh,
that?
don't forget distributed property. You have to distribute Poof.
Oh gosh.
That screen doesn't work. Okay. So you have to distribute Poof across.
Okay, come on, delete it. I'm working on it.
Oh, you got it. Okay. So you have to distribute the Poof to the X and the star and the I. But remember, I equals 1, so it PF Poof times I would just 1. So Poof. So you just get 1. So that I doesn't even matter because it's just a 1. Yeah, just delete it. Yeah, there you go. Okay. So then you get that times the triangle, and no one knows what the triangle is or what it equals.
It's a triangle. It's a
But
triangle.
it has to do with something.
It's a triangle.
So you get Poof
You know,
distributed.
like a
No wait, you got the lim and the for infinity.
triangle.
Lim into
Triangle
infinity
X.
times
Triangle
in
X.
Gmail app 1 I or 1. It doesn't matter. They're the same thing. Times Poof, which is distributed to the X and the star. And don't worry about the I, because it just equals 1, and no one cares about the I. And then you have to multiply all that by the triangle, which is not even a number. But
the triangle is X. See, triangle X.
triangle
triangle
X. Oh, yeah. So you have to figure out X.
No, see, X is the triangle. See that? X is the triangle.
Oh.
And that equals P.
Yeah, all that equals P. Just all of it. So then you get P, but you have to
P
times
of
P.
the what's the okay, P of the elongated S.
You know, it looks like my piano music.
It does. Piano music.
I think it's
undo button.
It's down there. So you got all that equals P. Come on. Equals P times. Okay, you're messing up. Here, I got it. Let go. No, stop. Stop. Is this on? Oh no.
Just go there.
It's not working.
Stop. What are you trying to do?
We got this. It's
Oh,
okay.
wait.
Now go back to screen record.
It's still recording.
Okay, so, anyways, who cares about that? So, wow.
Okay, then
Delete all of that.
But undo my lines.
But I can't see the B.
I know, that's why I said undo them.
Oh, I'm in the video.
Whoa. Okay, it's my X.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
okay.
So, anyways, so the piano sign to the B power
With with the A at the bottom.
And the A to the negative A power, because it's at the bottom, so it's like
There's no
negative. It's
A.
just at the bottom, so anything at the bottom is just less than B.
Well, no,
It's less than B.
Well, okay.
It's less than B because it's lower than B.
Okay.
So anyways, you take all that and you times it by F, and then you distribute F to
of
X.
of dx.
And then we multiply F and X times dx, which is X squared F. It's F times D times X squared. And then you have to get that thing. So, anyways, I'm pretty sure all of that goes into this graphing equation. Figure 2.65 is a region in the plane
Oh no.
representing a lamina. I'm not sure what a lamina is, but sounds like a car or an animal. I'm not sure. What's a lamina? Where?
A lamina.
A lamina.
Wait, where are you even looking at?
Right there. It's a lamina.
Stop. Oh, Mom, I can do it.
Okay. So if a region R is symmetric about line, is that an I? Line I? Then the centroid of R lies on I. Okay.
Wait, what are we talking about?
This is right there. If a region R is symmetric about a line I, then the centroid of R lies on I. So R is laying on I.
Wait, how do we get this out?
So I's underneath R. And we need to pick up R to find I, but I'm not sure how to do that. I don't think it moves.
Wait. If a region R is symmetric about a line I, where's the line
Symmetric
I?
like the same? Or what's
Yeah, symmetric means it can flip. Where's
like
the
you
I?
can cut it in half and it's the same
Where's
on
the
both
I?
sides.
Oh.
It's under R! You have to pick up R because it says the centroid of R lies on I. R lies on I! R is on top of I! So you have to
It won't move!
You have to get R off of I. R is like killing I right now, and I don't know how to save
It's
him.
not moving! I don't know what to do!
I don't know either. Just click that.
Oh, wait, that moved.
Okay, click that button right there. Click that button.
I'm working to it. Here?
Yes, that button. Good. No, stop. It's fine. Okay, now, so, I'm not sure. I don't think we can get I out of R, or out from under R, but it's covered. And I don't know how to find I. But, wait! I equals 1! It doesn't matter because I equals 1!
Oh, you're totally right! Okay.
So,
look,
I's
hold
one.
up. Look. A, B.
Oh, we will die. Only one.
A, B.
I equal 1 in this situation.
Wait, you need to draw the squiggly under it. Yeah, there. Okay, we're getting somewhere now. We're
Alright.
getting somewhere. But wait, no. Okay.
Okay, you made it backwards.
No, I think it's right.
The curly's supposed to be on the B side, but it's okay.
They're both curly.
No, because
No,
the
look
curl's
it.
facing B and the curl's facing away from A.
Oh, shoot.
And you have the curl facing A and the curl away from B. It needs to be the opposite.
Uh-oh.
Stop pressing buttons. Let me do this.
No.
Okay, so the lamina is all determining on R. Oh, a region
How do
in
I
the
put this
plane.
back?
Okay.
Okay, I'm getting the hang of it.
So y equals fx. So f times x right here is just y. So we can replace that for y, right? In the equation, just replace that for y.
Make
So
it
it's
lock
y
in.
times d times x. Y dx. Oh yeah, there you go. Don't forget about that. The music won't sound right if you don't have it right.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think that I don't know what's next. We still haven't found M.
Wait, what's... Oh no, M equals all
Lim.
of this.
Maybe we should rewrite our sentence. We need to simplify it. So, yeah, let's simplify it. Okay, let me see this. I'm gonna simplify this. M
Oh, that's way over there.
Get on the screen. M equals. I cannot write this.
Nope, you can't.
Okay. So M equals lim over into infinity. So into infinity is nobody knows what the highest number is. So into infinity is like anything. So it's like infinity. Into infinity. So into infinity over lim. So we need lim divided by into infinity. Okay, stop.
No, it's not divided by.
Stop.
It's not divided by because there's no line.
Then what do you do with it?
I don't know.
Okay, well, anyways, we have the Gmail app, and I'm not sure how that's supposed to help us, but it's sideways. So maybe we need to turn it, 90 degrees. We need to turn it
90 degrees to the right.
45 degrees?
No, 90
degrees to the right. And then it will be it's perfect Gmail app. And then we can find the equation.
Well,
of the
yeah, but it
Gmail
depends on how many Gmails you have unread.
We have one because
I
equals
equals
1! So we have one Gmail app.
Okay.
But we have to make the Gmail app right. It's not right.
Well,
I'm not sure. Oh. So we get rid of it? But what about the number on top?
oh, just wait. I'm not
Just
done yet.
The Gmail app's red. Okay, it's red. There you go.
Right, because Gmail app is red.
Okay, you're good. Now, well, don't drag.
I'm trying not to.
Okay. Draw. Okay. There you go. So we have the Gmail app.
And you have one unread message.
Yeah!
That's not a one.
Okay, good enough. It's D unread messages. D unread messages.
Hold up. No, it's one.
It's
I equals
one?
one.
Oh yeah, okay. So then you have Poof, and who the heck knows what to do with Poof? But Poof,
Poof,
Magic
the
Dragon.
Dragon.
Oh, that has to do with the song.
Hold up.
The piano song. It all goes together. The
Oh,
Poof.
no, it's the B squiggly line.
Okay, so. Yeah, what's the answer? Can we have a hint? Is it like Poof?
It's a definition. There's no answer. It's definition.
You mean
Guys, we just received word from the headquarters.
that there's
This
no
whole thing-
answer?
There is no answer. It's
What
just an
is the
explanation.
point? What is the
Just
point?
an explanation.
Please tell me.
So,
Please tell me it's at least a song.
ladies and gentlemen, it's just an explanation.
I'm
Our work
sorry,
here is done.
kids. You should just quit now. Because there is no answer. You should not even finish this class because your teacher is lying to you. There is no answer.
I don't even know what to say. I don't even know
I
how
don't know how to
stop
click
this.
pause.